Hi everyone, it's Gillian here. I've come on to share with you my wonderful journal that I won in Michelle White's draw. It was just really a big surprise to have won. It was a random draw and my number came out, which I was delighted. Michelle let me know while I was on holiday because I'd missed the draw video on her YouTube channel. And it arrived yesterday, early yesterday. I had a quick peek at it, but I haven't looked at it properly because I wanted to share the reveal with you all. So I have unwrapped it completely because she'd wrapped it so well. There were so many layers, and that would have taken, it took me ages to get all the layers off, but it was very well protected. And on one of the outside layers is this beautiful tag with a message from Michelle saying that she hopes I enjoy a handmade long envelope journal, and I certainly know already that I'm going to. I just had a quick look through and it's just beautifully made. And this tag, mixed media tag, is beautiful as well. That's certainly not one that I'm going to be giving away in a journal. It's one I'll keep for myself. There were some bits of washi tape on the parcel. That one and another blue one, which obviously I'll be using in my journal. It's a lovely little bit of ribbon around the middle parcel. All of this tissue I will use in my journaling. And of course all the wrapping paper, etc. will all be put to good use. And then inside here is the beautiful little journal. I have not seen a long envelope journal before, apart from briefly on the video that Michelle made. She has a tutorial which I'll either find the link for and put underneath this video, or if you get there first before me, Michelle, do put your link in. So I don't know how to describe some of these elements because I've not seen or made this type of a journal. I guess it's about 3 inches deep and about 7 or 8 wide. And this part of it doesn't move with the pages. So this is set as it is, and is decorated front and back, and that doesn't move. And then I'll undo the vintage ribbon, which again I'll either keep with the journal to keep it done up, or I might use some of that because I've got a sewing themed journal somewhere in the back of my mind. So first page, really lovely. Michelle has used photographic paper to print a lot of this out on. I think it's that. I don't think they're original vintage photos by the look of the back, but she certainly made them look vintage. So there's this lovely lady. There's a little card, Queen of Hearts, and this birdie on a postcard. Then the surprise when it's opened, oh no, sorry, before you open it, is that each of the pages flaps up. So I'll just come in a bit further. Move it, that's right. So there's with the first page flap open, so there as it was shut, and there's it flapped open. There's some really lovely layering all through the book. A printed out old postcard. This has a pocket on the side. I believe everyone has a side pocket, but we'll check it out and get there, with a little bit of printed ephemera. I don't know if I say that word right. I say ephemera, it could be ephemera. I guess it's however we say it. page, double spread, again postcard, writing, lovely old photo of a lady with her doggy. I'm not a doggy lover myself, but that is such a cute face on that doggy. A lot of collaging, and some of that is printed, the printed layers. Then opening the double page of that, there's a bit of a shell theme going on, so there's some shells, fan shell, butterfly that's cut and stuck on, as is the doily. And then, oh yeah, the pocket for this page is a long pocket here, and it's got this lovely bird tag in. I really love this one, it's beautiful, it's got a little stamp on, and room on the back for doing some journaling. More of the ribbon that tied around the journal, so that fits in sideways, and the tags are there to pull it. Then on to the next page. So this double spread, again there's photos, some stamping, which I think is printed on. That's definitely fussy cut and stuck on, really pretty. Look at the pretty colours there. More photos, another really pretty coloured bird, that's fussy cut and stuck. Printed card, and again the flip up. And that has crab and the fish, so still this kind of bit of an animal fishy theme going on. Lovely photograph, where is it? There, lovely photograph there, and that one there that came into view before. Lots of really interesting bits. This is weights, and this one this side was inches measurements, and again the pocket is in the top here. I haven't been in this pocket, so I don't know what's going to come out. Some little bits of a little bit of journaling paper there, something else, I think that's another piece of journaling paper, and there's more. This is what I love about the journals. I love everything about journals, but I love the little secret spots and wondering what one will find there. A tag, nice layering, a piece of, really nice piece of like I think some kind of a vellum, I'm not certain, with some painting on, and a beautiful little journaling card. Note to self. Note to self, enjoy this book. Michelle told me that she enjoyed making it, and I'm certainly going to enjoy using it. And there's another page here. So the double, ooh, I'm completely off camera. The double spread that way. I love these little bright coloured bits. Pretty birds. Raffle ticket tag. Lots of collaging. Building up the layers. I need to get better at building layers into mine, because I have a problem sometimes covering things up. Don't know if anyone else does, but I certainly do. And again, then that opens to a double spread that way. There's a couple more lovely old photographs and more journaling. There's one of these tags where you could, oh, this card just fell out here, so I'll show. You could add little bits of tags there. There's a, oh no, I thought that was a pocket. Nope, but that's a tag like that, which is really neat. and a pocket here with a journaling card in. Ooh, and something else. A lovely bit of vintage paper. Beautiful 16th century building. And then the last page. Again, lots of lovely layers, lots of nice collaging. Books and the bird and the tiny detail look on this back piece. I don't know what to call this piece that stays still because I've never seen or done one of these. Perhaps Michelle will tell me. So what can I say? Absolutely beautiful little journal, Michelle. Thank you so much. I'm so pleased that I entered your draw. Not at all expecting to win. But thank you, and yeah, I'm just going to enjoy it. Bye for now, everyone.